I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make King Chilli Pickle Naga style, only way. Start by sterilizing jars and weighing chilies, salt, and vinegar so ratios stay consistent. Roast and grind the whole spice mix to release aroma, then layer chilies with salt and spice. Pour heated vinegar solution to cover, seal tightly, and store in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks. Gather fresh Naga King chilies, non-iodized salt, white or malt vinegar, mustard seed, fenugreek, cumin, turmeric, and oil for tempering. Clean and pat chilies dry, then slit or chop to preference while keeping seeds for extra heat. Toast and grind the spice mixed to a coarse powder so textures remain pleasant. Prepare a hot vinegar brine to bloom spices and help preservation. Toast cumin, mustard, and fenugreek until fragrant, then grind coarsely to preserve texture. Combine salt and spices with chilies in a clean bowl, massage slightly to release juices, and transfer to sterilized jars. Heat vinegar with turmeric and jaggery or sugar until it simmers, then pour over chilies to fully cover. Finish with a hot oil tempering of mustard seeds and curry leaves for signature aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.